Ever worry that your child is getting stuck in a one-size-fits-all classroom? You're not alone. Today, we're going to look at a new AI-powered tool that could completely change how they learn STEM subjects. So let's dive right in.
You know that feeling, right? Your child brings home the same worksheet as every other kid in the class. But what if they're already ahead and bored? Or what if they're struggling just to keep up? That feeling, that one-size-fits-all problem, is exactly what we're going to tackle.
Okay, so first things first, let's really break down the problems with this traditional model. What are the cracks in the system that all this new technology is now trying to fix?
So on one hand, you've got the story we all know. Static worksheets, feedback that takes forever, and one single pace for everyone. It's a system that just doesn't work for a lot of kids. Some get bored, others get left behind. But on the other hand, we have a totally new way of doing things. This is learning that actually adapts to your child in real time. And that right there is the game changer.
So, what's the actual solution to this problem? Well, we're going to take a deep dive into a platform called InfinityLearnHub, which was literally built from the ground up to fix this exact one-size-fits-all issue.
So what is this thing exactly? The best way to think about it is like a personal AI tutor for STEM subjects. And the two most important words here are AI-powered and adapts. This means it's not just some static library of lessons. No, it's a smart system that's actively learning about your child so it can change the material to fit them perfectly.
Okay, that sounds great, but how does it actually do that? How does it personalize the learning? Well, it all comes down to 4 pretty unique learning modes, and each one targets a different skill your child needs to really master a subject.
First up is the interactive quiz. Now, this is way more than just practice. It's adaptive. So if your child starts nailing the questions, the difficulty automatically ramps up. If they're struggling a bit, it dials things back, giving them a chance to build confidence. It's all about finding that perfect sweet spot of challenge. Now, this is one of my favorite features, for sure. What happens when your kid gets stuck? Instead of just giving away the answer, which, let's be honest, doesn't really teach anything, the AI has this brilliant 3-level hint system. It starts with the why, the concept, then it moves to the how, the steps, and only as a last resort does it show the full solution. It's literally designed to teach them how to think, not just what to answer. All right, next up we have the PDF worksheet mode. This is so clever because it combines the best of both worlds. Your child can physically write out their solutions by hand, just like on a piece of paper, but they're doing it on a digital canvas. So they get that hands-on, tactile feeling of working through a problem, but with all the power and convenience of a digital tool.
In the final 2 modes, these are all about making sure the knowledge actually sticks. You've got a vocabulary builder and AI-generated flashcards. Both of these use a really powerful memory technique called spaced repetition. It basically means the system is smart enough to show your child the concepts they struggle with most right at the exact moment they're about to forget them. It's incredibly effective.
So, what's the secret sauce behind all of this? What's the magic behind the curtain? It's a really powerful AI engine that's not just grading answers, it's actively shaping and personalizing your child's entire learning journey.
And the scope here is, well, it's huge. We're talking about 6 core STEM subjects, everything from the usual suspects like math and physics all the way to economics. It's a really comprehensive curriculum that's designed to grow with your child.
And it's not just broad, it's deep too. Within those subjects, there are over 144 different progressive learning levels. That means your child can start at exactly the right spot for them and just build their knowledge one solid step at a time.
And get this, to fuel all of that learning, the platform has a massive library of over 15,000 expert-designed questions. And these aren't just your basic multiple-choice questions. They're application-based, designed to make your child think critically and actually apply what they've learned.
So, what does the AI do with all this amazing content? Well, it goes way beyond just adapting the difficulty. It can actually detect if there are gaps in your child's foundational knowledge. You know, the basics they might have missed. And it even sends alerts to you, the parent, when they're really struggling. It's like having a digital tutor watching over their shoulder 24/7.
Okay, the tech is cool, but a tool is only as good as its results, right? So let's talk about the real-world benefits for both kids and parents. How does it actually keep them motivated, and what kind of insights do you get to see?
Let's be real, you have to keep kids engaged. That's where gamification comes in. They can earn achievement badges, keep up daily streaks, get XP points, and even climb leaderboards. It's all designed to turn learning into a fun challenge instead of a chore.
And what's in it for the adults? Well, as this slide puts it, Parents get really detailed analytics to see exactly how their child is progressing. And for teachers, it's like giving them superpowers. It automates all the tedious stuff so they can focus on what they do best, actually teaching.
And sometimes you just need that human touch. For those moments, the platform offers something really special. Small group, live tutoring sessions with expert tutors for just $3.99. I mean, that's an absolutely incredible value for personalized support from a real person. Speaking of incredible value, let's take a quick look at the subscription plans. The best part is, there's a totally free plan to get you started. And from there, there's a whole range of options designed to fit pretty much any need and any budget, including a great family plan if you have more than one child. So, let's just pull it all together. What's the bottom line? Why choose InfinityHub? It's really that powerful combination of true AI personalization, instant helpful feedback, and the fact that it's genuinely affordable. And knowing it was built by actual educators, well, that tells you it's designed with your child's real success in mind. So really, it all comes down to this one question. Are you ready to finally ditch that one-size-fits-all approach and give your child the personalized learning experience they truly deserve? If you're ready to give it a shot, you can head right over to InfinityLearnHub.com and sign up for a free account. There's no credit card required, so it's completely risk-free. You really have nothing to lose.